Proboscis monkeys, endemic to Borneo's jungles, also grace our Singapore Zoo. These old-world monkeys are highly arboreal, residing in organized harem groups with a dominant male, multiple females, and their offspring. Among Asia's largest monkeys, the pot-bellied males stand out, significantly larger than the females and showcasing sexual dimorphism. Their most notable feature, the large bulbous nose, is unique to males and not just a quirky trait. It's a symbol of attractiveness and hierarchy. The larger the nose, the more appealing the male is to females, and the less likely he is to face challenges from other males. Interestingly, this suggests a preference for leaders who promote cooperation and kindness, rather than those exhibiting violence and intimidation, often associated with larger canines. Thus, our project was drawn to their social dynamics, characterized by harmony and conflict avoidance. These monkeys form strong bonds and even socialize between groups. Research has shown that their social networks, especially grooming interactions, are female-centered. Recent studies by Matsuda and colleagues 2023 highlight the importance of allomothering, where non-mothers care for infants, providing benefits like increased foraging efficiency for mothers and training for non-mothers.
Our project aims to investigate whether these harmonious social behaviours, especially allomothering, persist in the captive environment of the Singapore Zoo's proboscis monkeys. To measure this, we created an ethogram that looked at allomothering behaviours between the adult females and offspring and affiliative and aggressive behaviours in a group. Adapting from an existing coding dictionary investigating the social and reproductive behaviour of proboscis monkeys, we created our coding legend. While we read that Singapore Zoo housed 13 proboscis monkeys, we had no confirmation of whether or not there was an infant in the exhibit. Hence, we also expanded our observation beyond just alloparenting to observe more social behaviours within the group as well. We sought to observe 2 targets for 30 minutes, 2 adult females, preferably an adult female and the mother of an offspring, to see their interactions with each other, the infant and the group of adult monkeys as a whole. We also wanted to catch the keeper talk at 11:30 am to find out more about the proboscis monkeys and hopefully catch the keeper for a quick fact-finding interview regarding our research questions. However, our data collection met with multiple limitations. The first limitation is that there was only one family of 4 in the exhibit, consisting of 1 adult dominant male, 2 adult females, and an offspring. The second limitation is that the offspring was already a juvenile and is already off-weaning, preventing us from observing any allomothering behaviours. Over our 30-minute observation, there were few social behaviours observed except for the category of positive approach, where the family of 4 ate and rested close to each other at the feeding area throughout. There was also one instance of allo-grooming where the mother adult female groomed the juvenile offspring. Interesting observations include that they took turns to eat and rest in a patriarchal-like order, meaning that the adult dominant male was the first to approach the food and the first to rest after eating, followed by the larger adult female, the smaller adult female, and then the juvenile monkey. However, we managed to catch the keeper, and with their informed consent to being interviewed and recorded, we managed to gain some interesting insights.
We wanted to see like parent-child interactions, but then like we saw that they were quite isolated. Is it like a normal thing, or is it just one timing?
Maybe we know, maybe they just mind their own business.
Oh, but if the baby is still an infant, not a juvenile, then there will be
They even like change like the other female will also take care of the baby.
does it happen even in the captivity?
It's still happens.
How about like the father that does interact with the baby?
The father don't really interact with the baby.
Then does the father interact with the ladies as well? Sometimes.
In conclusion, with regards to our research question, we learned that allomothering behaviours continue to persist even in captive proboscis monkeys, where during weaning periods, the adult female will help to care for the infant and the mother will allow it. We also came to notice the patriarchal-like tendencies of the group of 4, with the adult dominant male having the first dibs and also being uninvolved with the parenting process during his offspring's infant years. While these are interesting, it is important to note that these are simply preliminary observations and must be taken with skepticism instead of conclusiveness. Regardless, we had a great time getting to know our big-nosed monkeys and highly urge that you check them out the next time you visit Singapore Zoo.